Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can disable Microsoft Family features. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Task Manager on your PC by right-clicking on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and a window will open up on your screen. Inside this window, there will be a lot of options available. Select the Services tab from left side menu and locate anything starting with WPC. And stop it. Then go to the Services tab from the drop-down. You can see that it is a parental control type file, so locate Parental Control. Then right-click on it and change its startup type to Disable. And that's how you can disable Microsoft Family features. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.